So the price is dropped as we predicted below the $1, and the price went up near our support again. So what's going on? There is no particular news regarding the price jump. However, it was pure technical. However, we have another news regarding the 31st of this month. That's why we have kind of mixed emotion before the price, before the end of this year. So let's get right to it, guys. Look with me what's happening. We talked about this level of support. What we said, yes, we said this is kind of important level. Last time we visited below the $1, it was on the 6th of December. And what happened? Yes, we didn't have a closing candle. We have a wick and the price went up. Then what we said lately, we said, be careful. Hunters, be careful. The price, if jump below the $1 next time and close, it means the price will go gravitate near our support, the 0.6881. And guess what? We went until the 0.74, pretty near, and the price jumped again because kind of here a lot of buy limit order and a lot of investors jump in for have like discount price for CEI. However, we're still not clear yet. This jump of the price is still not important yet. It's not a reversal. You know why? Because as we said, the $1 when we broke it is right now acting as a resistance. So be careful right now. Right now is potential kind of the price reacting because we are really near the support, the important support. So right now we have a slowing on buying pressure and holding here because we getting near this important level, which is the 0.95, even below the $1. There's a technical level, psychological level if you want to call it, below the $1, which is around here, the 0.95. This will be turning point for CEI. If we got rejected here, just be careful. I'm just saying the price will go eventually near this support again. So be careful from this reaction. We want to close above the $1. After this level of resistance and our exponential average, you see coil down, and the moment that we bounce here, then we kind of get rejected around the $1.20. This is a trigger for sell off this time. Okay, so as I said, the $1, not the $1, is the 0.95 is kind of the important level that will be tested right now before the market close. So be careful from this level. This will confirm my hypothesis for my technical analysis, and the price will get rejected and go below again. So just be careful from right now. If you already bought CEI and want the price to go above the $1 to have a bit of support above the $1 would be safer. Right now is not safe. The support is still around the 0.68, and we still have the news near the end of this month. This is kind of give us mixed emotion on the price. Kind of right now people buying before the news and selling before as well. So there is a lot of strategy you can do in this kind of market, because right now undecisive market, and as well we dipping below the $1. So right now I'm just be clear from CEI. If you didn't buy CEI right now, just watch the 0.95, because a lot of short seller will sell short again CEI around this technical area, and there's big like a fight between buying and selling pressure around this level of technical analysis. This will prove everything. If we're gonna dip even more, or we have the squeeze and the price will go above the $1. So as I said, if you have any question, comment section below. And as always said, if you want the chart that I'm using right now, the trading view, of course, you can check the link in comment section below. There is a discount almost 50% at the end this year. So use this opportunity and use my link and start trading professionally, have a strategy, and start the new year with a new charting tools at the same time, a new mindset. This is the most important thing. See you in the next update.